Hello my dear students, myself Sudhasmita Behera, ATO, Government ITI Cuttack. Today I want to teach you trigonometry from the workshop science calculation subject. So first of all, what is trigonometry? So first you know tri. TRI means tree means three. Gono means that is a Greek word, so that is your angles. And metry means measurement. So if you combine all this, so trigonometry is the branch of mathematics which deals with our angles, which related three type that is your three sides of the angle to measure. So if we go for our three sides, so you can call this one is a triangle. So triangle is of different type. So as you know, so that is your isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, right angle triangle and scalene triangle. So that is isosceles means that is your समद्विबाहु त्रिभुज. इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल मीन्स समबाहु, सब गुड़ाक बाहु समान रहिले ताकू समबाहु और इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल कहबे. Next आसिला right angle triangle. So if one of the angle is 90 degree, so that angle or that triangle you can call right angle triangle, that is समकोणी त्रिभुज. नेक्स्ट आसिला विषम बाहु त्रिभुज. विषम बाहु त्रिभुज दैट इज स्केलिन ट्रायंगल जहार समस्त बाहु गुड़िक असमान, ताकू आमे कहूचे विषम बाहु त्रिभुज. ए जो ट्रायंगल गुड़ाकर एंगल गुड़ा को मेजर करिबार मेथड आ मेजरमेंट को आमे ए सब्जेक्ट थ्रू रे पढ़िबा. सो दैट इज आवर ट्रिगोनोमेट्री. So trigonometry, that is the angle. So to measure this angle we are using the degree or radians to measure the angles. So first, mostly we are associated with this right angle triangle when we study our trigonometry. So this trigonometry normally consists of six type of angles. That is your sine of the angle, cosine of the angle, tangential of the angle, cotangent, cosec and sec. So that is just you can call, if you are using sine theta, that is the sine of the angle, cosine that is your cos theta, tangential that is your tan theta, cot theta, cosec theta and sec theta. So sine and cos are the main basics. So we can write tan theta as in terms of sine and cos, that is sine theta divided by cos theta. Again also I can write cot theta, that is 1 by tan theta you can write, or cos theta divided by sin theta. Again cosec theta. Cosec theta is your 1 by sin theta and sec theta is your 1 by cos theta. So these are the terms we are relating in this topic. That is a sin theta, how to calculate this sine of the angle, cosine of the angle, tangent of the angle, cotangent or cot, sec and cosec. So before going to the angle, so we have to study something about our triangle, right angle triangle. From this right angle triangle study, we can signify our all the angles. So how this is done? You have to see this one. So if I am taking a right angle triangle, that is your समकोणी त्रिभुज, so that if I am writing A, B and C, so this one you can call in terms of corner, that is hypotenuse. And this one is the angle you want to measure. Which angle is just showing this you can call opposite, and this one you can call adjacent. So this one first, that is with your AC you can call it your hypotenuse. Next is your BC you can call your adjacent. A and B you can call opposite. So if you calculate your first, that is your sin theta, So that angle, this angle you are taking, the sine of this angle. So this one is showing this, that you have to first write opposite with respect to your hypotenuse. So I can write easily, that is AB divided by AC. So sine of the angle, if you want to calculate, so that is your this side, opposite side of the right angle triangle with respect to its hypotenuse, that is your bahu divided by your corner. So similarly, if I am to calculate the cos, so that is the opposite side I have to take adjacent. This one is adjacent. So this adjacent with respect to your hypotenuse. So that I can write BC with respect to AC. So this one is the sine of the angle, that is AB with respect to AC, and this one is the cos of the angle BC with respect to AC. So these two we want to calculate, and these two are the basic to calculate all the other, that is your tan theta. I can write here. So tan theta, as you know already, I have told you, that is tan theta is always sin theta divided by cos theta. So if I go for sin theta divided by cos theta, so AC will be cancelled out. So I have to write AB divided by BC, that is your opposite side with respect to the adjacent side. So similarly, if I write the cot theta, so cot theta just the reverse, that is cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta. So 1 by tan theta means this term will be reversed, that is your BC divided by AB. Similarly, sec theta, that is the reciprocal of cos theta. So 1 by cos theta is equals to sec theta. So 1 by cos theta means that will be reversed, AC divided by BC. Again cosec theta, that is 1 by sin theta is your cosec theta. So cosec theta, if I am taking, that is a reciprocal of sin theta. So again this one will be reversed, that one is AC divided by AB. So these are from this right angle triangle we are deriving sin theta. So sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. So these cosec theta, tan theta, all these terms are related from these three main terms, these two sides, and one is your hypotenuse. So from these three we can calculate any of the angle is given, from that angle we can calculate all other. So for example, you can see, suppose a question I am given here. If given is tan theta is equals to 3 by 4. So then calculate all other angles. So if I am given one of the example, tan theta is equals to 3 by 4, and then the calculate all other angles we want to calculate. So first of all, this one is my formula. So tan theta is equal to AB by BC. So I can write tan theta is equals to AB by BC, and which is equals to 3 by 4. So now this one is your 3, this one is your 4. Using a Pythagoras theorem, we can calculate your hypotenuse. So from the Pythagoras theorem, what is that? Is AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square root over. So this one is the formula from the Pythagoras theorem. From this theorem we can calculate. So we are having the sides So 3 ra square plus 4 ra square root over. Then you can call this one is a 9 and this one is a 4 square is 16 root over that is a 25 and all of you know this one that is root over of 25 is 5. So now this one I have to calculate 5. So now we are having all the values and all the formulas, just we have to put. So if you tan theta is this much, next you can write cot theta is the reverse of this one. So I can write here, so tan cot theta equal to 4 by 3. Similarly sec theta, so AC is given, that is 5 divided by 4. Again cosec theta equals to AC divided by AB. AC again that is 5 divided by AB is your 3. And sin theta is given here. AB divided by AC, so that is your 3 divided by 5. And cos theta is equals to BC divided by AC, that is equal to 4 by 5. So if any of the angle is given, so that from that angle value, so using the concept of this trigonometry, so that is AB by BC here, so we can calculate all the angles. So that is sin, cos, tan is given, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. So this one is your basic. So basic is there. So from the right angle triangle, using the two sides value, we can calculate our hypotenuse using the formula from the Pythagoras theorem. So that value equal to AC square equals to AB ra square plus BC ra. This square plus this ra square root over is the value of your hypotenuse. So from this we have some identical terms. So how the identical terms, so related, so coming to next part. So the identical terms. So what are the identical terms? Same we are using the 6, that is your sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. What are these? So mostly we have to remember 3. From that 3 we have to develop all this. That is your sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So this one you have to remember, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. From this I can also write, so sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Again cos square theta I can write 1 minus sin square theta. So you can call this one is the identical. So from this sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal, we have to remember this one. From this we can derive this two. Second one is your sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. So these two are, so again I have to write same, sec square theta is equal to, this term will be going that side, 1 plus tan square theta. Next tan square theta again I have to write, that is sec square theta minus 1. So this one is the second identical, and third one I have to write, that is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. So similarly I can derive cosec square theta is equals to, I can write 1 plus cot square theta, and cot square theta I can write cosec square theta minus 1. So these three identical, if I remember, this one is these three identical, then I can calculate any one of the value. So if sin theta value is given, so you can calculate cos square theta using this formula, and from these two formula also you can derive this one, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. So from that sec square, if sec square value is given, you can also calculate the tan square theta. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. So cosec square theta is equals to 1 plus cot square theta, and from if the cosec square theta any one is given, so author will be calculate using all these identicals. So these are you can call identical terms related to your trigonometry. Next we are calculating this angle, this theta I am writing, everywhere I am writing this theta. So if the theta is something value is given, so how to calculate that value, that angle we want to calculate. So how to calculate the angles? So someone asking you sine 30 degree. So if you are not remembering all these things, so how to recall? So easy way to remember all the angles, you can see. So I have to write all the 6 terms, that is your sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. So again I am writing here 0, so just 1, 2, 3 and 4. What shall I do after that? So divide all these numbers with 4. So I have to write here. So all these numbers with 4. So if I am dividing, and again you have to take the root over. So each root over I have to write. Okay. So first of all of you write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So next is your all of divide 4 from each of the number, take the root over. So something by 0, you can write 0. So this one equals to 1 by 2 and this one equals to 1 by root 2. This one equals to root 3 by 2 and this one equals to 1. So you can take now just see 0 by something is equal to 0. So if I am taking the root over of 0, so that will be 0. Again I am writing this one second case. So 1 by 4. So 4 root over is your 2. So that is equal to 1 by 2. So that is your 2 by 4. 2 is the deduct, that is your dividing. So 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 we are taking here 1 by root 2. Similarly 3 is there. So 3 we can add, that is your root over. So just you place that is root 3 and 4 root over is 2, root 3 by 2. Again 4 by 4 is your 1. So here you have to write all these angles, 0 degree, 30 degree, basic angles, 60 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So whatever already we have calculated, we have to place in the sign column. So now you have 0. So sin 0 is 0. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. And sin 90 is 1. Once you have calculated sin theta, then cos theta is just reverse the value. Reverse means, so you have to place 1 here, root 3 by 2 here, 1 by root 2 just place similar. This value will be shifted here and this value here. No need to calculate. So sin theta is equal to sin 0 is your 0, sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, sin 90 is 1. So from if you are calculating sin, so next all of you can calculate. So cos, just you reverse the value. So whatever the sin 90, that is your cos 0. So cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is the reverse of sin 60, root 3 by 2, and 45, both the cases are the same. Next is your our cos 60 is just the reverse of 30, sin 30, and 90 is out. Again tan theta already you know, sin theta by cos theta. Just you divide these two, sin theta divided by cos theta, 0 by something is your 0. Second, these I am dividing, so 2 cancel out, so that is 1 by root 3. Again these two are cancel out, that is equal to 1. Again if I am dividing, 2 cancel out, that is root 3. And this one is 1 by something is our infinity. So this one, if already you know the sin theta and cos theta, you can calculate tan theta. So tan theta, again next going for the cot theta. So cot theta is 1 by tan theta. So just you again reverse the number, infinity, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3 and 0. So similarly tan 0 is 0, tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3, tan 45 degree is 1, tan 60 degree is root 3, and tan 90 degree is infinity. Just if I am going for the cot theta, so cot theta is our infinity, cot 0 is our infinity, cot 30 degree is root 3, cot 45 degree is 1, cot 60 degree is root 3, cot 90 degree is 0. Similarly, if you go for the sec is the 1 by cos theta. So sec is the 1 by cos theta. So cos theta is here. So 1, just 1 divided by cos value. So 1 by 1 is your. Next you go 1 divided by, that is 2 by root 3. So we are dividing 1 divided by root 3 by 2. So this one will be reverse. So that is 2 by root 3 are getting. Similarly 1 by root 2. So root 2 will be going above. So that is root 2. Next 1 by 2, that is your 2. And 1 by 0, something by 0 is infinity. Again just reverse this value to calculate the last one, that is your cosec theta. So this one is your easy way to remember the angles of any of the angle, and this one is the basic angles. Number of angles are there. So these are the basic angles: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So if you know all these 5 values to calculate using the 6 terms, so you can calculate, or any of the question is given, you can calculate. So if sin theta is equals to sin theta value of any one, that is your 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree is given. So from that you can calculate all these things. So next one, for example, so example, suppose 2 sin 30 degree plus 4 tan 45 degree. So just if I are having the table, so we have to calculate sin 30 degree is 1 by 2 plus tan 45 degree is equals to 1, 4 into 1, so that is 1 plus 4, that is equal to 5. So these are the angles to calculate the triangular value. So any of the angle is given. So if the angle is a basic angle using these 5, so you have to calculate our all these values. Any of the value is given, we can calculate this one. So this is all about our basic of the triangle. So whatever the triangle we are using, so how to calculate the triangular methods, angles and measuring the using the degrees and basic angles. So if you have any queries, you can use my WhatsApp number to ask me. So try to solve the problems, and thank you all of you.
झीटीए तो माटी आम सामाजिक और पारिवारिक जीवनर मूल कथाटी सेमाने आगकू गले आगकू जीव संसार। आम झील मैंने आ पुओंकठू पछरे नाहांती। एबे तो बदली गलानी समय, बदली गलानी जुग। से झील माननकू आहुरी आगकू नहीं आत्मनिर्भरशील और स्वावलंबी करने ओडिशा सरकार सुदक्षा योजन सरकारी ITI माध्यम संपूर्ण मागणार जोगई देउछंती सबु प्रकार उत्कृष्ट मानर वैषयिक ज्ञान कौशलर तालीम। एबे आम झील रहिबे सबुठू आगरे सबुठू उपरे।
मु सफल, मु कुशली, मु सुदक्षा।